Hi, my name's Cindy Santos, and today I'm going to show you how to make Mom Carbone's stuffed calamari. This recipe is a calamari, which is a squid, which has a tube and tentacles, and the tube is stuffed with a bread filling that has garlic, it has the tentacles, and cheese.
So Cindy, now we are going to make the breadcrumbs?
We are. We're going to make the stuffing, and my grandmother would have done this by hand with a grater, but I'm going to use a food processor.
That's okay.
And it is okay. I saved these 2 stale pieces and I'm going to run them under water. I called my grandmother's mom, both of them. I had a Mom Crawford, that's my Irish side, and a Mom Carbone, my Italian side. And that's what we called them. Christmas Eve was my grandmother's birthday. We were always with her. We always had the stuffed calamari. It's just a recipe that makes me think of her. My younger brother, Ray, remembers the day that I made her stop what she was doing and show me how to do this because it wasn't written down anywhere and I wanted to know how to do it. See how they all spring up? But that's good. We want those suckers just to be sticking out like that. When I cook this particular recipe, I don't really use measurements. It's cooking by feel.
What are some of the thoughts that go through your head as you are preparing it?
Well, I probably think of my dad and think he would like it. He gave me my love of food, I would say. Our family, like we've eaten our way through life. The key to this part is you can't overstuff because once you put it in the gravy, it's going to puff up. If you overstuff it, it explodes. See how that's nice and flat like that? That's how you want it.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take one of these nice toothpicks and we're just going to toothpick the top.
I did it!
I just really enjoy cooking. I think it's the way that my family show their love, and it's the way I do.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.